Every single time we do a show, we try to create an experience.
I think this speaks to the beauty of what Dillastrate is and what we can do.
We're going to take that concept of a drum and bass Dillastrate song at one of the best venues in Christchurch.
Yeah.
It feels like I cannot wait for that thing to unfold.
Yeah. So Dillastrate is a two-piece, so it's myself and H, and we try to do everything we possibly can as a unit. Electronic, soul, pop, hip-hop, that's the sort of flavour.
Tim is a keyboard octopus, plays synth, bass, keys.
H somehow plays drums like an absolute maniac and sings with the voice of an angel, and he brings the power to Dillastrate. Thanks so much, brother. Yeah. Oh man, it's just such a pleasure. Oh,
we met at jazz school in 2007.
It's not been completely smooth sailing.
We've been present in times where the conversation hasn't been resolved. We've been there when things have fallen to pieces.
I get really fixated on an idea, and I've had a few moments where I've brought something to H and he's gone, you know, very innocently gone, why don't we try this? Like, well, no, that's not what it is. That's not what I thought it should be. Again, you have to let go a little bit. You have to let go and trust.
You have to put the music first, right? You have to put the song first.
We have to trust each other. So when there have been any kind of differences that could require us to communicate on those things, like we're really good at just getting to the root of what needs to be communicated really quickly because we know that the kaupapa is the most important thing.
Yeah. That's the one thing we're really lucky about is the friendship hasn't been compromised. There's always going to be like subtle disagreements and things, but the thing is we attack those fast and we move on. Kei Whati Mai Marama is a love song and a thank you song to those who are special to us. It is a tribute to our wahine who go through so much.
The power of that love, right? The power of connection and the connections that we hold dear.
Yeah. That is a thank you that I can only summarise in a song. It's taken everything that we've talked about and everything that we've built ourselves up on and it's put it into one song. It's like when you climb to the top of Everest and you achieve your masterpiece, and that's the reason why we keep going. It just put everything into perspective.
Yeah, it's high density Dillastrate.
That's easily the best song we've recorded.
I think so. Yeah.
I know that there is other young Māori musicians who have the ability that supersedes us in what we do. And if this can create just a sign that you can do this, I'd love to see that.
It's like you can't be what you can't see, right? So if we can proliferate waiata Māori as much as we possibly can, normalising reo Māori, not only in Aotearoa, but also exporting that out to the world. The more that we do in that mahi, the more we add to a collective body of work that helps to enhance that. If we can achieve that, I'll be very happy.